Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of art supplies with what many consider the best Camlin brush pens on the market. The Camlin Artist Brush Pen Set, a pack of 12 versatile, high-quality brush pens that are perfect for artists, illustrators, and anyone who loves to bring their creativity to life. Right off the bat, what makes these brush pens stand out is their design. Each pen features a soft, flexible tip that mimics the effect of a traditional brush. This means you can create both thick and thin strokes effortlessly, giving your artwork a dynamic and expressive look. Whether you're sketching, illustrating, doodling, or hand lettering, these pens deliver the precision and fluidity that can elevate your art. The Camlin Artist Brush Pen Set comes with 12 carefully selected artist shades. You'll find a wonderful range including black, burnt umber, burnt sienna, Prussian blue, sky blue, viridian blue, sap green, magenta, crimson, permanent orange, Indian yellow, and lemon yellow. This variety lets you work with both warm and cool tones, making it easy to create depth and vibrancy in your compositions without needing additional tools. One of the key features of these pens is their pigment-based ink, which is waterproof and permanent. That means your creations won't smudge or fade easily over time. Plus, the ink is acid-free, UV-resistant, and light-fast, so your artwork will stay bright and fresh even when exposed to sunlight or handled frequently. This permanence is a major advantage for artists who want their work to last. The pens come in a compact, easy-to-carry pack with a snap closure that keeps them organized and ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. The size and weight make them ideal for taking on the go, whether you're working outdoors or moving between studios. In terms of usability, these brush pens feel comfortable in hand and are responsive to your pressure and movement, which helps you achieve detailed lines or bold strokes with ease. Their versatility extends beyond drawing and painting. They're great for calligraphy and creative lettering too, making this set a fantastic all-rounder for creative projects. To sum it up, the Camlin Artist Brush Pen Set offers artists a reliable, high-quality tool with a beautiful range of colors, durable pigment ink, and a flexible brush tip that adapts to your style. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these pens provide a wonderful balance of control, color, and convenience. If you're looking to enhance your art supplies with a brush pen set that truly performs, the Camlin Artist Brush Pen Set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and deep dives into the best products out there. See you in the next video.